So the first thing you're going to want to do is trace your children's hands. And then at the top of the sheet of paper, you can have them write anything that they would like to. So after you have your images drawn on your piece of paper, you can go ahead and import them into your Glowforge app. I can show you exactly what I'm doing here. So I have the hands all traced and I scan them into my computer. So I'm just finding all of my files that I have. And I did measure the hand that I would like to use from the palm all the way up to the top of the middle finger. So I am going to make sure that they do line up with my ruler on this side. And then the purple ones are an old one, so I'm just going to get rid of that. For the setting, I am doing engraving, and then 1,000 for the power, or the speed, 70 for the power, and then I changed the grayscale to convert to patterns. And I did get the measurements of each hand that I'm doing as well. They're all, or this one right here is 5 inches tall. So I'm just gonna make that a little bit smaller so it fits. And to cut, I am using these cutting boards, Acacia from IKEA. And I do not need to take my crumb tray out, which is awesome. Make sure my inline fan is on, all set up. It will adjust the head. I will wait for it to prepare here. And just make sure everything looks good and lined up. And you can go ahead and click print. Done. Super cute Mother's Day gift.